Hello student, today our topic is related with class 8, that is the wise use of our natural resources. Natural resources means that we obtain from nature. The resources which we obtain from nature known as natural resources, as for example sunlight, water, air, soil and minerals. Some of the natural resources are exhaustible and some are inexhaustible. Although the forests are sometimes exhaustible and sometimes inexhaustible. Forests are exhaustible natural resources because overutilization of the forest can actually deplete the forest cover. All living beings including plant and animal are dependent on forest. For animals, forests are their natural habitat, providing them shelter as well as food. Plant and animals are dependent on each other in a forest ecosystem. When animals breathe, basically they release carbon dioxide gas, which is used by plant for the photosynthesis process, and with the help of the photosynthesis process, plant prepare their food, which is again utilized by animals. Plants also depend on the bird and insects. Plants also depend on the bird and insect. Without insect basically help in the pollination of a plant, and the pollination is very important for plant reproduction. On the other hand, animals such as zebras and deer depend on the plant for food, and animals such as lions and tigers depend on other animals for their food. Since in a forest all organisms are dependent on each other, and forest therefore known as self-sustaining ecosystem. Forest known as self-sustaining. Sustaining, sustaining ecosystem. Sustaining ecosystem. Forest therefore known as self-sustaining ecosystem because plants and animals dependent on each other. Each animals and the plant dependent on each other, therefore forest known as self-sustaining ecosystem. Decomposers, all of you know that decomposers mean that decompose organic, dead and decaying organic substances known as decomposer. Decomposer feed on dead and decaying organic matter and convert it into humus, which is dark in color and rich in nutrients, and that humus is very essential for the growth of plants. In this way, decomposers also help in the growth of plants and growth of forest. Now we must next topic. Now the next topic is conservation of forest. Conservation of forest is very essential because forests play an economic role in our day-to-day life. Therefore, we must conserve forest, as forest is very essential for all ecosystem, for the balancing of the ecosystem. How we conserve forest? First is by planting more and more trees. Planting of a tree on a large scale known as afforestation. Afforestation means planting of a tree on a large scale. So that depletion of the forest must be avoided. It avoid the depletion of forest. Second point is loss of the forest is also take place due to forest fire. So to save forest from such fire, it is important to adopt the latest method of fire fighting, and people should be well trained to control such fires. Next point, Forests should be protected from overgrazing by cattle as it makes the land infertile for use. Overgrazing causes the infertility of land. All these are the, as well as next point is human activity must be avoided. Government should have several laws and acts that protect forests, and these acts can be used to this act can be used to take a survey of forests that are under threat due to human activity. Thank you everyone.